All right, welcome to week 3. Sorry, I look like a pale white ghost. My window's open and it's super bright because of the awesome snowstorm we got. Not. So, if you go to the home page and you scroll down, you'll find the page that says 413 through 417. Again, those are dates. This is for week 3. We click in here and I have laid out what you should do this week. Note that I changed Friday to an 8th grade health day because they missed the last 2 days, technically. It'll all work out. So you have 2 days of health this week. So week 3, what you should be doing Monday, today, when I'm making this lovely video, we have no school, last day of spring break, and it's snowing. Wonderful. Tuesday is a health day. You should continue your notes on the communicable disease. I recommend watching video number 3 if you haven't already. I've been kind of just spacing the videos out one day at a time so you're not overwhelmed. I know you have other classes that might have more of a workload, and health only meets twice a week, so I'm trying to make it as minimal as possible. You can take the communicable disease quiz if you haven't already. I opened up and was surprised with a ton of submissions, so thank you for those working. You should already realize that I have to grade the essay questions before you can get a score on the quiz, but then you can still take it again and again until you get 100%. It should be a pretty easy quiz though. This is the last day for our nervous system quiz. I extended it. Some of you haven't done it yet, and this is the last day. Midnight is the cutoff. I emailed parents, I emailed you. Some of you are not checking your email, not responding, not doing anything on here, and it's going to be an attendance issue if I don't get this nervous system quiz in. Wednesday, no health, but you can work on health if you like. Thursday is another health day. You should continue notes on communicable disease. Watch video number 4. Again, these videos are 15 minutes max, so it shouldn't be a huge chunk out of your day. If you want to work ahead, you're more than welcome to work ahead. No problem with that. You should keep attempting the quiz if you need. Again, I'll grade them. Here I'm going to have to start because I had like 50 of you submit the quiz. So I need to grade them first, but a lot of you will probably get 10 out of 10 your first try. It's not too difficult. Read the directions though. If it says list 2 examples of something, I need 2, not 1. And Friday, again, I changed it. It's not a health day, but you can continue to work on health if you like. Depends how you want to handle your other classes. If we go back to the materials page, just to remind you where things are, the lecture videos are in the red folder. This is where you find videos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, on there. So communicable disease 1, there's the immune system video, that's in my notes somewhere. 2, 3, 4, so this week you should be on 3 and 4 if you haven't already. Next week we'll do 5. We have a video on how vaccines work, that was in the PowerPoint, but I can't play it on here because you won't hear the audio, so you can just go watch it for yourself. We have the last iron lung, why we need vaccines, why we don't want to have an outbreak of polio spread just like this coronavirus is spreading right now. It's bad stuff. And then you can start watching the vaccine wars. If you're done with that, you aced your quiz and you are going to complete the worksheet. I have a lot of people confused on this. You're not going to turn the worksheet in. You can use it to write down your answers because you're going to need the answers. I'm not collecting any papers. I don't want your germs. No, I'm kidding. I just don't want to have that headache of you not losing your papers and bringing them to school. So what's happening is I have the Vaccine Wars worksheet on here if you need to copy down the questions or print your own copy. This is the nervous system quiz you should have already taken. Communicable disease quiz is right here. That's the one you take after you watch, I think, the first or second video of communicable disease. And then there's a Vaccine Wars worksheet quiz. So I took not all of the questions from the Vaccine Wars, but a good chunk of them. And then some of the other questions that are more opinion we'll have discussion posts about later like, I think I have 6 days unaccounted for school if e-learning extends. So then we'll just have some discussion posts talking about the vaccine wars and seeing what you guys thought about it. So don't throw your worksheet away. You're going to take the quiz, which literally has the questions in order, word for word. Again, you can take it as many times as you want, but that's what your worksheet's for. When you ace the quiz, when health is done, you can throw everything away. I'm not going to collect any papers. So again, what you should be doing this week, I just explained it to you. I miss you guys. I hope you're healthy and staying sane, and I hope this e-learning thing isn't too crazy for you. If I can help you in any way, shape, or form, please reach out and let me know.